Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.